I just made another video, but Elena, well, y'all don't know Elena, she's from my school. Her grandma just texted if I could spend the night Thursday. So I started all the way down there. I want to show you again because I started vlogging all the way down there. But I had to walk. It doesn't look that far in the live, in the video, but it's pretty far. My brothers are going to be like, seriously, you're obsessed with vlogging? I just try to vlog every day. Oh, the door's open for once. I'm vlogging. How do you feel about that? Does she have a cage? Oh, hello, Missy. It's dark. Oh, don't harass me, please. I have to jump. Oh. I did it. Do you want to play? Do you want to play? She's my hair. Don't bite my hair, please. She has my hair. Can I have that back, please? I need that. Well, I don't need it, but I want it.
Guys,
hi, Gary.
Sit back, slide, and not just lift your weapons. We're just gonna keep on helping. Happy. Yes, lift it. I have it. I would fire weapons.
Oh, Midnight, come here. Come here. Midnight. Come here. Midnight. Ow, stop harassing me. Midnight, I'm coming. You can't stop me. Hello, Midnight. She's right there, you can't see her. Midnight, come out to let you know what they're playing. You can see her collar. Hey. Are you going, Midnight? Go that way. Midnight, I'm in the chair now. Midnight, here, just let me pick you up and put you in the lightness. There you go. Midnight. Hey, come. Don't play. Oh! That hurts. Ow. You missed me, didn't you? Ow. 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 Oh, don't bite that. This is going to be a really short vlog because I have to go right now. But I'm going to stay a couple more minutes longer because I have to ask Elena's grandma, or I have to ask my mom if I can stay at Elena's house. Which I know some people from my school watch this, and if y'all know who Elena is, I call her my sister. So, hey. They're playing again. He doesn't, or she doesn't know how to jump that well. I feel bad for her. Hey, you wanna play? You wanna play? Oh. Hello? Oh. Ow, my legs. Stop. Please. Let go of my legs. Ow. 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 She's biting right here. Don't bite there. Ew. That hurts right there. No, don't bite my hair. She has my hair again. Why? This is my hair. Don't. Oh. She's gonna get me. No. She doesn't know how to jump that far yet. No. What if I did this? Ow, ow, don't bite the ow. Gently bite. Ow, ow. I got this. Okay, so I'm going to zoom out as far as I can. Okay. This is my plan.
Yeah.
But I have to go. This is just the short dog coming home from the puppy. Or short dog. Short vlog. So, bye.